Hey guys, Eric, Muscle Cars there coming at you. We are at the Good Guys event here at Westworld of Scottsdale. Stick around for more, and the guy behind the camera is Sam from Sam Space 81. Wow. I get the Good Guys events early in the day so I can beat the crowds and have a chance to get kind of up close and personal to some of these vehicles there. And this beautiful truck caught my eye. Is it root beer color? Copper? I mean, I don't know, but man, this thing is absolutely gorgeous, off the chain, attention to detail. And it's got that old school banjo style steering wheel. Really, really well done truck, man. And I'll tell you what, the Good Guys this year did not disappoint. It was an awesome event. The weather was perfect. Everything was cool, especially this freaking truck. Stick around for more cool stuff only here on Muscle Cars with Eric. So when I first walked by this truck, I was amazed at the finish. It is just absolutely crazy cool looking. And I talked to the owner about it, and he said that this finish is the same process they use for bluing guns. And I thought that is a really crazy cool application of a technique used in an entirely different industry, and it makes this truck just absolutely pop. Of course, the detail of the truck is amazing too. Don't go away, because you're going to want to stick around, man. The cars we were able to check out in video at the Good Guys event this past March, off the chain. Stick around for more cool stuff only here on Muscle Cars with Eric. You know, I bet it was a whole lot of fun designing cars back in the day, because you got to figure in the 50s, all the major manufacturers had a whole bunch of paint choices, and they would combine a lot of chrome with bright colors. And like this car right here, it's got either a salmon or a coral color to it. It's a 1956 Oldsmobile Starfighter, I believe, and it's just loaded with chrome, two-tone to black with the coral / salmon color. It's convertible. It's big. It's cool. It's comfy. You know, I tell you, I still can't get over how cool this car is. I mean, look at the intricate sculpting of the tail lights and the really cool chrome, the 98 emblem there and the cross, and just, oh my word. And look at the exhaust. Flat exhaust underneath the rear end. I don't know if that's stock or not. Probably not stock, but still look at this car. And then look at how big it is when I pick up the camera to show you the inside. Oh my word, you could fit a whole high school cheerleader squad in the back of that car. How much fun will that be? This year's 2023 FiTech Good Guys Spring Nationals was off the chain cool. The weather was perfect. The cars were incredible. I mean, look at this video here. The rainbow of cars. I mean, it's just incredible. And all sorts of cars, selection, colors, choices, you name it, it was there. You know, the 2023 Good Guys Spring Nationals this past March 10th and 11th and 12th was awesome. The weather was perfect. The cars were amazing. And you guys know me, man. I love my Shelby AC Cobras, and I came across this row of really sharp-looking AC Cobras there on the main drag here at the event, and it was off-the-chain cool, over-the-top bad to the bone. And Shelby Cobra, man, it's designed by the man himself, Carroll Shelby, legend, race car driver as well as a legend car maker. So anyhow, hopefully enjoy it. Stick around for more cool stuff only here on Muscle Cars with Eric. So here I am minding my own business at the 2023 Good Guys Southwest Nationals, and bam! What do I see but this low, mean, sinister-looking black machine with the really cool green pinstriping. And look at that. Those little things on the front bumper there look like frickin' barrels of guns or something. I know they're not curb feelers because you wouldn't want that in the front of your vehicle. But anyhow, you have searchlights, spotlights, and mirrors, and maybe even laser beams attached to this bad devil. But in the meantime, folks, I have no idea what kind of car this is, but I think it's a Cadillac. But take a look at a deep dish style wheel. It matches the color of the pinstriping. And the reason why I say I think it's a Cadillac is because when you see the inside of the vehicle, you're going to see the Cadillac crest on the keys that are actually inserted in the ignition. Stick around for more cool stuff like this only on Muscle Cars with Eric. The car you're looking at right now is a beautiful 1970 Chevelle SS 454. And this car has been designed and built by Charlie's Garage. And Charlie's Garage is one of the premier car builders in the world and located in Mesa, Arizona. And for more information, look them up at www.charliesgarage.com. But in the meantime, though, this particular vehicle features a Harib intake, fuel-injected system, as you see right there. It's pretty freaking awesome looking. It has Ride Tech coil-over suspension, bare brakes, and it's Ron Davis radiator. And if you go to rondavisradiator.com, you get more information about that. But this car is over the top cool. And again, Charlie's Garage is one of the premier builders of custom cars in the entire world. And he also specializes in Chevelle. So if you have an inkling to buy a Chevelle and have it all modified like this, give him a call. charliesgarage.com, Mesa, Arizona. Take a look at this car, man. It's a beautiful 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Look at that engine. You guys know I'm an engine guy, and I consider the engine to be the diamond in the setting. And while the setting in this car is remarkable, I'll talk to you about that here in a minute, but this engine is over the top cool. All chromed out, all polished out, all nice and shiny, and look how this sucker glistens in the sun. And by the way, that day, March 11th and 12th, when I was at Good Guys, it was absolutely gorgeous. The weather was perfect. But look at this engine, man. This is over the top cool. All perfect, all chromed out, just for you, only here on Muscle Cars with Eric. You know, as I was editing this video, it just kept coming to me that this car is in near perfect condition. I mean, the color matching on the interior and the exterior, the two-tone red and gray, it's just incredible. These guys really pull up all the stops in their custom cars at the Good Guys events throughout the country, and I'm sure this car is going to score really, really high at this most recent event. Thanks for watching. Man, this car, holy crap, it is sexy, it is sultry, it is soulful, it is so well done, it is slung to the ground like nobody's business. Look at this thing, a 1951 Ford. Look at the exhaust coming out of the bumper, man, old school stuff. This car is absolutely incredible. I usually cut videos to shorter length between pieces to keep your attention, but this one, I just couldn't help myself, man. Take a look. This is just over the top. Oh my God. Good Guys. Whew. Unreal stuff, man. Unreal stuff. Thanks for watching. More cool stuff only here on Muscle Cars with Eric. March did not disappoint, and I'm just amazed as I'm going through these videos here, editing them for you guys, that The quality of the builds is just getting better and better and better every year. They're using new technologies, old school technologies. The builders are just incredibly talented people. The owners, many of the people that build these cars are actually the owners of the cars themselves. And it's just incredible. Stick around to the end, man. It's going to be a longer video here than normal, but I just had to capture every possible car that I could out there. And you're going to find some really cool stuff. Like coming up here in a minute is going to be a Bel Air Nomad station wagon, followed by a Bel Air with a blown engine in it. So you don't want to miss those, man. Stick around for more, only here on Muscle Cars with Eric. Hey guys, thanks for watching the last video. I hand selected a couple videos for you to watch right now. Click here.